Hey guys, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. It's time to head in and see all the deals at CVS this week. I know it's been a few weeks since I've gotten to do these videos, but I'm hoping to get back at it. So thanks for your patience while I was recovering and while we were dealing with a car that wouldn't move. So I'm excited to go in and see all the deals this week. There are a few freebies and one really big moneymaker, so stay tuned. Grab a great deal this week on Revlon cosmetics. You'll get $4 and extra bucks rewards when you buy $12 worth of any Revlon. Plus, check your CVS account because many of us have coupons off of cosmetics. I have a $6 off 20 and a 3 off 12. My $6 off 20 is just for Revlon and my 3 off 12 is for any cosmetics. Old school, those used to pair together really well. What we found lately is they'll pair together if you are all digital. But if you have those coupons on paper, they're probably not going to stack together. My plan is to buy $20 worth of Revlon to use 3 of these $3 off coupons that just came in Sunday's paper. Use the store coupon for 6 off 20. Really planning on getting $24. I guess I should clarify there. $24 worth of Revlon using 3 of these $3 offs probably, depending on what I grab, using the store coupon. In the end, it's all gonna cost $1. So grab 3 things that are around $8 a piece. You're gonna come up to $24. You're gonna use $9 in manufacturer's coupons, a $6 store coupon, and you're gonna get back $8 in rewards. So pretty fun deal, all gonna end up being basically free, just the tax after all the coupons. This is a great week to get stocked on body wash and bar soap. We've got 3 different deals here, really 2 different deals, but it depends on how you play it. So you can get Irish Spring body wash or Irish Spring bar soap, buy 3 of them and get a $5 reward back. So you can mix or match here. If you wanted a little bit of body wash, a little bit of bar soap, kind of do what you want to do. If you go with the body wash, we've got $1 off coupons. We have 50-cent coupons on the bar soap. So the bar soap's going to cost a little bit more. Honestly, we use the bar soap more than we use the body wash. So that's what I'm grabbing. Grab the 50-cent coupons that were in Sunday's paper. So again, I don't need to go back. I don't need old inserts here. Grab 3 coupons. We're going to grab 3 boxes of bar soap, or I am. After the 50-cent coupon, I'm going to pay right at about $1.80 for an 8-pack of bar soap. It's a crazy good price. Regular price in CVS is $5.79. So if you're wanting bar soap, it's a really good price. Check your CVS app again because a lot of folks have a coupon for $3 off $8 in bar and body wash. And this is going to count. You're going to hit that, and that is going to make these 80 cents a box. So that's my price point using my store coupon, and hopefully you'll have that in your account as well. So again, you can grab the body wash or the bar soap, whichever way you want to go, and then scooch down just a tad because we've got a really great deal on soft soap as well. So same insert, we had soft soap body wash coupons in Sunday's paper, and this week when we grab soft soap body wash, we're going to get a $2.25 extra care buck back. So using your coupon from the Sunday paper and using the extra care bucks, you're going to basically pay 99 cents for a bottle of soft soap body wash. Not bad. And again, if you've got that $3 off 8 in body wash or bar soap, or maybe you have a higher value, you could pair the soft soap with the Irish Spring so that you could hit that higher value. Now, always be thinking about all the deals that could go together because pairing these together, if you had a higher value, 5 off 15 or something like that, you'd hit it and you'd have a really, really great deal on the soap aisle. Get stocked on razors this week thanks to, again, another coupon in Sunday's paper and a deal running on razors and on refills. So when you grab 2, it doesn't have to be a razor and a refill. It can be 2 razors, it can be 2 refills. You're gonna get a $10 reward back from CVS. Now, the best deal here is that we got BOGO coupons in Sunday's paper. So grab a razor, grab a refill, and the coupon's gonna make the razor free. So I'm gonna buy a $14.99 refill. I'm gonna get a $12, basically a $12 razor for free with that BOGO coupon, and I'm gonna get a $10 reward back. So that makes these total, the razor and the refills, cost about $4.99 after that BOGO coupon. But then check your CVS account, because I have a 3 off 12 in shave. I know there are higher ones out there as well. Some have 5 off 20, 6 off 30. So just check and see what you've got, because my 3 off 12 means I'm gonna pay $1.99 for both the refill and the razor. It's a great price for razors. So again, the coupon was in the inserts this past Sunday. So grab your Sunday paper, grab that BOGO coupon, and pair it together with this $10 reward deal. Super fun money maker. No coupons needed here, guys. So head in and grab 6 Oral-B healthy clean toothbrushes. They're buy one get one this week. Buy one get one 50% off. So their regular price is $1.99. Grab 6 of them and you're gonna get $12 in extra care bucks back. You're only gonna pay $8.60 for everything. So you're making money to buy 6 toothbrushes. It's a pretty sweet deal. If you're brand new, this is a great deal to get started with because you're coming out ahead in the end. There are 2 deals this week on toothpaste. So you pick. Some of it will depend on whether or not you have the printable coupons. The printable coupon's gone now, but we did have a coupon for $4 off 2 Colgate products. So this week, if you grab Colgate, you're gonna get back a $2 reward. If you have that $2 coupon, it's gonna make it a moneymaker. So you are gonna pay $7 for the 2 toothpaste. You're gonna use your $4 printable coupon. You're gonna then owe $3 and get back 4. Fun deal. Now, there's another moneymaker. If you don't have that coupon, check your CVS app. I feel like a little broken record here, but check your CVS app, because I have a coupon for $3 off any $6 in Crest toothpaste. And this week, Crest has a deal. So if you grab a Crest toothpaste, it's on sale for $3. You're gonna get back a $2 reward. We've got $1 coupons here too, so makes it free just with the manufacturer's coupons, but use that store coupon, and this is a big money maker. If you don't have the manufacturer's coupons, using the store coupon still makes it free. Still gonna make 50 cents. So if Crest isn't your brand, they're paying you to buy it. And this one's easy. Whether you didn't have that coupon ahead of time, use a store coupon. If you do have the coupon, make even more money, whether you wanna go Crest or Colgate. This week you can also grab Kotex products as low as free. It's just gonna depend on what your coupons are. So grab them, they're 2 for $8 this week. When you grab 2 of them, you're gonna get a $2 reward back. So that's basically making them 2 for $6. We've got $2 coupons. They expire this coming weekend, so you might as well use them. Or check your CVS app. I had a 4 off 2 manufacturer's coupon, not store, manufacturer's coupon, 4 off 2. That's gonna make them $1, whether you go with the paper coupon from the inserts or you go with the CVS app, $1. But check your app again, because a lot of us have store coupons off any feminine care. Some are off specifically Kotex. There's a lot of options there. So hopefully you have one that's gonna work. If you've got a store coupon that is $2 or more off of feminine products, these are completely free. So whether it's your brand or not, donate them. If they're going to give them to you, donate them, but an easy freebie. No rewards needed. This week you can get cereal as low as 99 cents in CVS. So they have General Mills cereal on sale for $1.99. We've got $1 off 2 coupons that you can print that are from past inserts. And we have a Savings Star coupon for $1 off 2. CVS is a card-based store with Savings Star. So as long as you've saved the offer, when you buy the cereal, you're gonna get that $1 back in your Savings Star account. No work required. Now, I'm not gonna get that $1 back at the register. I'm gonna use the coupon at the register, but I'm not gonna get that extra savings at the register. It's gonna go into my Savings Star account, but it's super easy. Pairing those 2 coupons together, you've got 2 boxes of cereal for 99 cents a piece. The CVS Happiness coupon, think app there, this week in the CVS app is for free clear CVS bandages, or for some folks it's $1 CVS bandages. Either way, these are normally like $3.79. You're gonna get them for $1 if you have the $1 offer, or you're gonna get them completely free. Check your CVS app. It's only in the app, so don't go online to look. And you've got all week to grab them. Last week it was a free sparkling water, and I'll warn you, a lot of stores were sold out by like Tuesday, Wednesday. So this may not be available, but hopefully you will still find some in your store. You might as well get them, whether you have the $1 or the free, because you're not gonna even get Band-Aids for $1 in most stores. So grab them while you can. So there you have it. Lots of great deals to grab in CVS this week. I did every single deal that I mentioned in the video and had a pretty fun time with it. We got some great deals and didn't spend a lot of money at all, which is always fun. And I mentioned on the Revlon that some of the coupons were stacking. My Revlon coupons did not stack. I'm completely paperless, so if you have a 6 off 20 Revlon and a cosmetic coupon, they may not stack either, but I did have 2 coupons that did stack. I had a coupon for 2 off 2 any feminine care and 1 off 6 feminine care that did stack, so made those Kotex products completely free for me after the rewards. So I can't really complain. The Revlon, I ended up also grabbing nail polish. It was right at $8, and the $3 coupon in the Sunday paper worked beautifully. It's $3 off any color cosmetic, so nails is obviously included. So I grabbed 3 nail polishes. That was right at $24. I used 3 of those $3 off coupons from the Sunday paper. My $6 off, it still made it to come out to be 30 cents a piece basically for the nail polish, even without the coupon, the double stack on the store coupon. So just to give you that follow-up in the end, all of the deals that I mentioned, if you head to southernsavers.com/CVS, you will see everything there, and you can make a handy dandy shopping list with all the coupons to go. So this is exactly what I use when I'm walking through the store. I will put a link to that at the bottom of the video, and make sure you also subscribe so that you can keep up with all of the weekly deals. Thanks for joining me.